Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to cut out a circle for a tree skirt. You can use this pattern, I'll put a link to it in the description below, or you can applique your own things on, or if you would like to choose 2 Christmas fabrics and just do it that simply, you can do that also. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. To make your circle, you're going to want 1.25 yards of fabric. All right, and we're going to take that, and we're going to cut the selvages off. So we're just going to cut the selvages off. And we're going to open this up, and we're going to make sure that we have a square. It's because different fabric comes at different widths. Some is closer to 45 inches than others. So we're going to find the corner here and go at the diagonal. And line up that edge all the way along here. This one is pretty close. Just going to shake it to get that diagonal edge even there. And we're going to trim this edge. I'm going to go on the other side of my table. And I'm gently going to move this onto my table. And finish cutting that so I have a square edge. Alright, and that will give me my perfect square. I'm going to fold this into quarters. And there's half and half again. Then we're going to make a makeshift compass. So I have just, this is a pencil, because what I'm going to draw on the fabric is where I'm going to cut. I'm not going to worry about the mark that I leave. And I'm going to make a loop. I'm just doing a slip knot is what I'm doing. And I'm going to hook that onto my pencil. So we're going to find this corner, and we're going to measure out to the edge. And I'm going to tie a knot. Let me cut this here. I'm going to tie a knot where that end is there. I'm just going to take a pin and stick it through that knot and pin it to my corner here. Okay, because I don't have enough hands, I've put this board here with my thing on top to give it some weight to hold that pin in place. I'm just going to take my pencil, keep the string taut, and make my arc. So I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to cut along the arc. So once we've got our circle cut, we're going to want a hole in the center for our tree to go through. And this is a 5-inch circle that I've just quartered. And I'm just going to line that up on the edges. And I'm going to make a mark on my fabric, tracing that to make the hole for my center. This is my fold here. Just cut that out. Right, and then on one of these fold lines here, I'm going to cut out to the end. And that will be the opening for my tree skirt. And that will give you this nice big circle for your tree skirt. And we have the center cut out and the opening for us to put the tree in. So we're going to want to do that with our backing and with the batting if you want it to be quilted. And you can just use this as a template for your other ones. You don't have to do the makeshift compass part again. You can just use this for a template. All right. And then if you're going to do applique, or do that around the edge or however you want to do it. But make sure if you're doing it around the edge, you come in at least a 1/2 inch to 1 inch so that when you do your seam and everything, you're not going to cut off any of your applique. If you're looking for fun shapes to applique, or you'd like to use my pattern, this is my reversible tree skirt. It has trees on one side, just Christmas trees. And you can flip it the other way, and it has snowmen. So I'll put a link to this pattern in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have fun making a tree skirt. We'll see you next time. Bye!